Hello, investor. This is Edwin Epperson with Blue Bay Capital. I am helping capital investors make wiser, more informed decisions. So today I'm going to cover in this presentation when you should invest in notes. Note investing today for your tomorrow. As Warren Buffett has famously said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Today, we're going to be talking about market factors. When you should invest in notes, these are some of the market factors that you should consider. We're going to talk about personal goals. When you should invest based on your personal goals. Generational wealth. When you should invest when generational wealth is really a focus of yours and your future. We'll also cover Blue Bay Capital's turnkey solution and how our solution can answer a lot of the questions about when to invest. So the economy has a dramatic effect on investments. If your investment is in a retirement account where the majority of the assets are stock driven, stocks, treasuries, bonds, etc., even insurance, then you have seen both the upside and the downside of your retirement being tied to volatile assets. Investing in private notes provides stability and reliability when planning what you will be doing. This is mainly due to its security, the fact that you control the asset for less than it's worth, and the dependable cash flow from your borrowers due to the fear of them not wanting to lose the equity that they have invested or created in their deal. The housing supply will always have an impact in determining values and demand for housing. By investing in notes, you are participating in the stable need for loans. Whether the market is flush with inventory or the supply is extremely limited, you have the comfort knowing that the product you are investing in will always be needed. Yes, the government. What can I say about the government? Well, I could say being in Florida, I'm very happy for the way our government's run. But whether you like it or not, whether you hate it or not, or maybe you're just indifferent to the government controls much of what we can and cannot do, especially when it comes to investing. Understanding the laws around lending and investing in loans is extremely important. Playing on the wrong side, and you could find yourself sued or even worse off, loss of your principal completely. Play on the right side, and you will always find that the law works in your favor as the lender. Because people must play by the rules or they can lose their assets, understanding those laws and how to make them work for you to your advantage is critical in being a successful note investor. So let's talk about personal goals. When should you invest in private notes based on these personal goals? If your personal goal is to generate wealth, investing in private notes is a reasonable way to generate wealth. However, it's not the highest best use because this is a cash flow investment. However, if your goal is to have cash flow, then investing in private notes is a phenomenal tool for you, and it actually outperforms many of the other investment strategies for cash flow. If you're looking to mitigate, control, and reduce risk, I cannot say this enough. There are very few other investment strategies that allow those three in your favor as the one doing the investing. You get to mitigate your risk, you get to control your risk and reduce risk. As well as very seldom is there another investment where your investments are secured and they are backed by the law of the land. So if those are your goals as far as personal goals, then when you should invest in private lending, private notes, I would say that it should be now then. If your goal is generational wealth, and there's several different things that we can approach generational wealth. Of course, there's the generational wealth as we understand it. You're building a sound foundation that will provide for your future safety and well-being, for your children to enjoy what the blood, sweat, and tears that you've put in to this life. But there's other aspects of generational wealth, and that's one could be becoming a philanthropist, impacting charities, impacting communities that are going to make a difference in the world. The other thing, of course, this is not far from most people's minds, is simply desiring the comfort to be able to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want. That is an incredibly empowering position to be in, and generational wealth helps you do that. So how can Blue Bay Capital help you accomplish this? Well, If you're concerned for where the market is heading and you're not sure how to mitigate your risk, if you are concerned about how to stay on top of the ever-changing laws and stay within those laws, if you're tired of passive investments that are not passive at all, and you are really seeking truly passive investments, then Blue Bay Capital has a solution for you. If the idea of building, protecting, and preserving your family's generational wealth is a priority, or if, more importantly, you are looking for a way to diversify and participate with other sophisticated investors, then my belief is that my Blue Bay Capital private lending turnkey solution can help you accomplish all of these. Really, the last question that you need to ask is Blue Bay Capital's turnkey private lending solution for you? Well, if you're truly looking for passive investments that generate passive income, if you're looking for lower risk yet higher return than other safer investments, or if you're looking for investments where you are in control, then my belief is that my turnkey private lending solution will absolutely be perfect for you. My name is Edwin Epperson. Thank you so much for watching this brief video. This is my contact information. You can reach out on social media. Also reach out on my website, and we can schedule a phone call if you have questions. Shoot me an email. Ask whatever you'd like, and I will do my best to answer it in a timely manner and a thorough manner. I look forward to explaining more and educating you more on private note investing, private lending. Thank you. Have a great rest of your week, and God bless.